So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Java. Once we're here, you're going to click on download Java, and now you're going to scroll down again, and then click on download Java again. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load, and then once it's done, we're going to click on the installer, and then click on yes, and then once this comes up, you're going to click on install, wait for this to load, and then once you've installed Java, you're going to click on close. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search, and type in view advanced system settings, click on it. And then once we're here, you're going to click on environment variables, and now you're going to click on new. And then once you're on this, for the variable name, you can just call it anything you want. I'm just going to call it Java. Now for the value, you're going to click on the box, and then click on browse file. Now you want to find where you install Java to. For me, I kept it in the default location. So for me, I'm going to scroll down, and then click on this PC, and then go to the drive with the Windows logo on it. Now I'm going to click on program files, and then click on Java, and then click on this JRE folder, and then click on bin. Now you're going to find the Java file. I'm going to scroll down till I see Java. This Java right here, Java only, and then with the Java picture. It might also say for you java.exe, but you want to get java.exe or Java only with this picture right here, and then click on open. And it's now going to paste the path right here, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again, click on OK again, and now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.